Hey everyone, John Rossin here, and I just realized I was doing this on my main page, which is I'm pretty mad because this is not what I wanted to do. It's always like a little something. But whatever. So now we're here in the group. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys how you can make like $200 to $300 per day on on YouTube or well mainly YouTube. Or you can scale this up to $10,000 and $20,000 per day, and the main way to go about this is one, you need to have to be able to do content creation. Now understand there's going to be two strategies. One is make you understand what is cost per mil, and the second is doing affiliate marketing. And the second strategy, I'll leave a link somewhere here so you can go and check it out. But before you go, please pay attention to this video. um I won't be able to go into details on how to do like affiliate marketing, but like if you can get your link on your video and have it rank, then you will understand what I mean. um if you, again, with this channel, if you have any question, please go ahead and leave that question. That way when I come back I can answer them, or in the next video I can go into more details and helping you out wherever you need to be, or trying to figure and help you solve this. I do make this looks easy, but again, it's all practices, because it's like push-ups. The first time you do 10 push-ups, it's gonna be hard, and then when next time you get better and better and you can do 10, it's easy. So you just keep pushing and then keep getting better and better. But don't what was I gonna say? Let's just move forward. I'm gonna be sharing my screen with you guys, my screen with you guys. That way you guys can understand what I mean by YouTube strategies. Now understand, you do not need like to be on camera, but what you do need is a decent computer, and you need to know how to copy and paste stuff. I recommend that you get a good digital, or a good like video editor. They're kind of memory intensive, but they don't. But I also, again, like when it comes to marketing, if you have your face, it's better, because then people know that you're a real person. So that's the strategy that I had problem in the beginning, because I am a shy person. um but I'm a DJ, so I have this thing as an artist where I can turn my thing on and off. But like I always get invited to the after parties, but like you always see me in the corner just like flirting with some Asian girl. I'm just saying. Anyhow, moving forward. So strategy number one is going to be what is cost per mil. Now, where is this thing right here? Ba, ba. What is all this stuff that I do not need? All right, what is gonna be cost per mil? Um, so cost per mil is what YouTube use um to what should I call it, to verify how much money you're gonna be making. So let's take a random video, for example. So this Key and Bill video has 600K, right? um Calculator. This is the first strategy. So the first strategy is about views. I personally think this strategy will work for people that are vlogging daily, because when don't think of just one video. Like if you put 6 videos per day, and then you get 6,000 views, so you're technically, so 6,000 times, so it's every 1,000 views you get paid $3. um no, this math wrong. So cost per mil, so it's 6, so it's 6 times 3, so you'll be making $18 for every 1,000 views. For example, this right here, like 100K, so that'd be 600 times 3, that person will, this video made $1,000 and 800, so $1,800. The way you gotta look at this is how you can build a YouTube strategy. Now, me being a marketer, if you look on my page real quick, I don't rely on whatchamacallit. You can see like 500, 700, 800 views. Like with that amount, like I would not make money. But I do make money from my YouTube strategies, and I will explain to you like bigger channels and how they do it, because there's always a 10% conversion. Still, even with the first strategy, let's say you're a DJ again, or you're a music, whatever. What's it called? Suicide. What's this music? It's called Suicide Sheep. So this is the same strategy that I apply. In for example, like if I click on any of these videos right here, this is the second strategy. If I click on any of these videos and then I'll go on here, me as an affiliate marketer, I already know what is going on. Like all these channel right here, this person is getting paid, but I know the one that is most important is going to be, because the Shopify thing, you get like, I think it's 10 cents for every 10 person who listens to it. But I know this person, there's a way he's gonna be scaling up on this, is going to be this one right here, the store. So they have a store, right? So understand, like I don't care about the I don't care about the whatchamacallit. I don't care about the 82,000 whatever. Let's say this is a copyright song. This person have the like goes to the record label and says copyright song, meaning like he's probably not gonna get paid for this. But because they have like an online store, so you can go in their shop, and everybody that does like the Amazon, the whatchamacallit, like those Amazon thing or whatever, because I do it. I have a music channel which I will not share here, but this hoodie is $50, right? So $50 and 82,000 people. 82,000 people, let's just do 10% of that convert, right? Only 10% of that. Like 10% of that would be, what is 10%? So that'd be 800 people times, like, let's say each and everyone buy the cheapest thing. This is the second thing I'll come over in a bit, the newsletter. Let's say somebody comes here and then buys like a $50, like 800 people buy a $50 shirt. These guys are making $40,000 just on that one video. Let's say not even 10% of that convert. Let's just say only 1%, which is 8. No, wait. It's 80. Wait. It's $4,000. I want you to understand, like, even when you look at my channel, the reason why I was gonna come back to this newsletter thing on the thing. Once somebody's in here, is in their email list, that is free content that you can send people. Now I have a huge list, so whenever I make a video, I send them to my buyers list. So that means I am continuing getting free traffic from my content. And out of this video, I'm not gonna say how much I sell my stuff, but let's say even if 1% of this convert, which is like 5 people, I'm making a decent amount of money. Like even this one. So, and it's what's weird with this is my conversion is like 13 something percent, which is pretty good. But these are the main two strategies that you can yourself apply on your technique. Oh, stop! I wasn't paying attention. Hi, Joanne. Hi, Jay. How you guys doing? Thank you for stopping by. Um, so pretty much these are the two main strategies that um you're gonna have to apply in order to make this work. So number one strategy is, again, I think this works with bloggers because you continually have to post like daily to get those numbers up. For me, I'm not relying on the cost per mil. I'm only relying on my affiliate marketing. Now, the reason why I said it's a little bit harder to do the second part is because even though like I'll have my link on here, there's a whole like sale process of a page that you need to build, and you have to make sure that it actually converts. So if you're not really good at sales, if you're not really good at like what you call it, if you're not really good at these, you can check on the link above me. We go off on a webinar that explains to you guys how we do it, but you see the potential here. Like I'm a content creator. The reason why I do this too, you must understand that even though I'm a SEO ahead, like I can run ads or whatever, which will be the end game. There's a problem when running ads and you don't have like what's called like a foundation or a place for people to come and ask you question or whatever, because and that faucet can stuck, and it's very frustrating. But it's funny because ever since I've been doing YouTube and all that stuff, it's like my money has gotten much better because whatchamacallit, it's like people know who you are, so they tend to more like whenever they need you, they can come up and ask you questions. So more of my clients tend to stay now that I have a platform, because honestly, like I really wanted to do this strategy where people don't see me and then I just like put it out there. It works to a certain degrees, but it only works like if you're selling like known product, like an Apple product or a Microsoft product, and you're just doing reviews and you don't have to be on camera. It will work to that extent. That is about scaling. So I don't know why would you be like unless you have like a channel of many people like that. But understand my views, like literally, like forget about like my whatchamacallit, um whatchamacallit, like just look at my views, like literally, like that's how you know like I'm doing something good. Plus like I know how to do affiliate marketing. So those have been the two strategies. The first strategy is cost per mil. Again, I know that works with people who do a lot of blogging, so you got to be like constantly putting content in order to boost your channel, in order to get paid by YouTube, which I'm actively doing too because I want those AdSense money. You hear me, YouTube? But also you can also learn to do affiliate marketing, which is a bit hard, but which is a bit harder, but it's the funniest thing is because if you're doing the cost per mil, you got to continuously create content. With this, I can just do content once in a while and I don't have to, I can live my life, because I making YouTube is hard, man. Like I do not want to be that guy. I love making content, but like I cannot be that guy that's continuously like broadcasting his life. Hey, today guys, I'm at the shop. I'm eating pizza. Like I don't know. That's just not for me. But if this is something you're into, you know how it goes. Every 1,000 views, you get paid $3. Anyhow, I'm trying to see how much my channel is making right now. Get out of here. I just want to see my channel ranking real quick. How much did I get paid? Yeah, it's not right here. But yeah, guys, I hope that helps you out. Again, leave questions. It's your boy John Roston. I'm out for the day. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.